What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video we're going to learn how you can log into SORA Open AI with your phone number. So let's get started. Firstly, just go to your web browser and type SORA AI. Then just go to this first option which says SORA Open AI. And then it will be this platform which is your SORA Open AI's website. And now you can go over here which says login option. So this is a platform where you can log in. So guys, there's a problem, or let's say there's something. So that is you can't log in with your phone number in SORA Open AI, but instead you can use these options, like you can continue with Google, continue with Microsoft account, or even with the Apple. So you can do it from here. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also comment if you have any queries. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.